back to our next video, you know. Today we are going to do some fishing. And remember the little pond we are fishing from all along. Yeah, we are going to try to catch some fish out of it today. The same pond we threw the fish in yesterday. So, right now we're there, we are going to try to see if we can get some worm, some earthworm. Because that we are use as bait to catch them, isn't it? So, we don't waste no time, people. We just are getting it. Right now, we are use a shovel and dig up some, you know?
Scoop up some.
Yeah, scoop up some, right, and see what I got.
Active up people. Out here on the water side. So nothing there, so. See what them look like, them people. Them we're going to use catch a fish, them in idea. Active. Alright, stay tuned. We're going to dig up some more and then we'll go up on the water side. Boy, J-Body sun hot, you know, boy. Where them a hide from we people. Some big one. See me? Wonder one of people.
The people are so they normally big, you know. The other one them broke off.
Nice. Wow. What you say? What you do, J-Bad?
The people right now, we are getting a bait them for another. Right now we are going to try it out. See what I go on in the water, you know. Them people, so this is how we get them on.
Cover up, look right up.
Right up.
Found their foot on. I'm going to chew off that one of my people. And in the meantime, J-Bad I go beat up on the next one. Oh, so I pull up too big. Some nice tilapia today. We don't want more than 3 of them, you know. Active people. So stay tuned and I'll show you where I get a pick. And
Yeah,
pick.
people, we catch one and about the camera never roll. Yeah, man, that one is a jaguar ciclet. That's what they want to call them. We call them Kalasuba.
Good size, you know, people. We don't want that one. We're going to chew him back.
I chew about that one, because that one look like he have pregnant too. Really big.
Active. Chew him back there. A giant here go for people. 1, 2 of the big boys.
Right now, people, like if fish and feed and go hide already, can't get a pick. Chase, I go and see what I go and still. Listen, the line goes off, I'm going to get no pick of that.
semua kan pul te ko iPhone. Ya, macam ada tu iPhone ada ni. Iya, serius. Iya. Masih ada orang.
A big fish, man. Make a fish go on with us. Big fish. Fish soon gone away, man. Eyes up him now. Watch out, baby. You man catch that you big like a finger. Big like a war. I know people. Fish there now bite at all. Boy, people, you want to that one there hard.
Belum kelar lah. Ini dipilah. Kibi dah buat. Ini dah giant.
Giant. You say man draw that one there hard. You wonder way man a flip. Judge people.
Kopi beat je aku. Mau asam fresh beat.
Judge your God, people. Watch out. The man catch you one fish more than 5 times.
One fish more one. Be a different fish. Be a little small fish in fish.
And people think we don't know how to a giant, but right now we don't know at all. Yes, my people. See it there. Chase lifestyle at it again. Number 10. Fingerlings. Right now, when them the fried giant, they can't throw them out here. Them the last. Last in the mouth. Be a ticky we are catch right now. Why people me say man I draw them hard. Give me dead see some monster them, see me? Take a good look on him. Jaguar cichlids.
Ikut bigger macam ni agak not. Dia ni di luar sana kita ni.
Man, finding this people see it there.
Oh, dah ikut bigger lah macam.
As in drop it and take away.
Nah, soalnya orang ni kuda fry no beef, biasa je bal. Aku kuda fry je.
Kuda fry je man.
Bukan, dah mau cuci ni.
Mana see him fish mau cuci ni. Give me a say man.
Olah, mesti bukan sok juga. Where you come from?
You know what I mean? Then all of them in I pan. What you mean by where you come from?
Yeah.
Why my people? Man, I ice them and say.
Look, so. Come on, bro. Come on.
People right now, we catch no fish.
No, we catch be a small fish.
don't catch no eating size fish here, man. So right now we have some fish we get from sea. Right now we are scale them up right now because we are deal with them, you know. We are roast them up and brown stew down some. So we just go and get them clean up, you see me? Yeah.
Active.
Be a little fishy man catch people, man, tell them, man. I say, man, no use, man, now.
So hold on, I want to catch little fish, you don't catch none too?
So, a big fish, I catch them, I catch them too. People know see it on the video, say a big fish, I catch them,
Get out there, man. Yo. The amount of fryers I catch, how am to this one? What you mean? Fry dry? Just chew them up same way, so? Yes, my people, so I'm going to go and creep off them and things, so I check him back when he's done and do him little thing. I'm just learning to creep fish thing, so I'm going to take long. My youth, I know you can't do creep fish, bro. Yo.
Come in, come get a knife and help me, man.
My youth, I 2 fish left now.
I want a fish. Hey, more live like, you know.
Huh?
I eat fish left.
The man scrape 4 fish people on a ball. Cardo. Help man scrape fish, man. We have move society.
When you want help, you must call me down. Alright, Cardo.
I call down, man, but he can't help, man. I'll put out the part then.
Yes, my people, right now, just there. I go and prepare the season, like, deal with some roast fish, huh? So, yeah, man, so right now, just there, and I'm going to clean up some skeleton right now. Piece of pumpkin, okra, pepper, garlic, you know? And I go see it, man, I go see it. Just go and watch and see what I'm going.
File roast, well, nice. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Cardware, why pray?
There, you know, man. What's the gangster, the man said there? One gorilla wardo, man. Nothing changed, nothing to go. Original gorilla wardo.
Every time you come on the channel, they come with a different style.
Quick and fast.
Say, yo, if you watch 50 videos on Cardo in there, 50 different
50 different style. Style can't done. Active, yeah, man. Boss, they are cut up some seeds, my people. So stay tuned. Watch what go on.
I'm a general say, you know, although I'm breeding my cousin, and, you know. I can't come a clearing and although night and all stuff, we take him, can't come and here and we have feature and chase lifestyle channel. Look, show them in design, the body's molding, man. Show them in
molding boss. Let's say molding boss, no
people.
people.
Thing in Jamaica, no boy test, upstairs.
The upstairs and downstairs, I see molding.
Right no, man, you have to show them up better, man. Right around, show them how dangerous it be. Show them how my spray is sealing bed.
Bad molding boss, no.
Wickedest thing, man. Everything.
I'll go check him out.
Show will all man night history of Jamaica about people. When you no give him, when you work, don't give him dollar till he finish it. Look, come in, a Chase Lifestyle TV now, man. We can't have any TV, so.
Yo!
Come on, yeah, we don't have TV channel, so everybody's TV channel right now. Yo, Lifestyle TV channel, Anjay, when it come to work, I greatest. I'm a mechanic, I'm a sprayer man, I'm a showy land man, I'm build molding, in do cement work, in do everything in a construction we can think of.
You say that donkey of all trade.
From scratch. This boy I see he's talented, but you see when it come to the money part in our behavior, when you pay him, he just cut and left your work. He just want 3/4 money or half of money. He just do piece of work and gone. And you have to hunt him with big board and big pick.
So you are going with Panic Grill?
Panic Grill, you know, say, I greatest chef this on earth, you know, one girl award door now. Onion, I key thing like scallion, the key thing okra, the key thing. Yeah man, and the cat noodle or something. See pepper there now. And the key thing for your fish stuffing. You don't need a lot of pepper. Yeah man. I come like Anjay, man. When it come to cooking, I'm multi-talented. When it come to cooking, just like how Anjay multi-talented in the construction and everything. Yeah man, so me I go and strip them because Jay bad soon forward him back here now. So me I go and deal with them till the boss roll him back. J-Man, go take over back your stuff, brother. Dog up on the way forward in, man. So me I go and crush them out. And me don't crush them, me just make the dog take over.
Active.
So when you do them like this, you get them easily out of the shell. Easy out of the shell, people. You're sure not get them out easy, people.
Top chef, you know, my people.
Yeah, man. See the people. See J-Bad the right foot and all my people. J-Bad. J-Bad can't drink up my people. See that? Look my people. You see how easy me get them out? Look my peeps. Look how easy me take them out of the shell. You see it, my peeps?
Alright, people,
Yeah,
so stay tuned. I'll check in back in a little bit.
Yes, my people, right now, we gotta get the seasoning right, you know, we gotta get the stuffing inside of them in the car. We gotta put them on the grill. So, you know, so we gotta sort them out the right way. You know, everything in it, you know. Okra, pumpkin, scallion, everything. Yes, my people, so this is how we do it in Jamaica. When you want to learn the style, make sure you link up Chase Lifestyle. So you got the rest system when you hear that. Yeah, man. Girl, how are you? Where you say go on now?
Come on, go.
You know, say I teach her this when it comes to roast fish, you know, I teach her and cooking this, you know. One girl award though, man, the teacher, man. Them a man, you see as a girl award though, the biggest cooking them in Jamaica. Big up Chase Lifestyle TV. You find one of the baddest chef. Them a chef, yeah, only chef cook for Jason Lancaster them. Came on spot, girl award though, you see as a. Yeah, man, that we do real cooking. Chef's Lifestyle grow me as a bigger youth fit in. Yeah, man, no joke about that. Chef's Lifestyle, brother sitting for way back when enough boy don't know that. All the youth, me grew up star power with Chef's Lifestyle. Never know nobody else different from my brother and my cousin them. Only Chef's Lifestyle, my real G. Teacher and a cooking man, I watch my apprentice. That's it.
Come in, apprentice. Stuff him up there, active.
One girl I want to do, man. Anything girl I want to do, say a line on my feet.
Yeah, man, I'm teach him, my peeps. And say, oh, here. Road pan this. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we master it.
Dog master it wicked at me now, you know. I say, you go, you know. Yeah, some teacher, we teach Pitney at primary school, still a teach up in today and Pitney Conton, doctor, lawyer, judge, everything, you know. I just say, you go, his student get big on me. You see it?
Alright, active my people. We are going to roll up a few more, so catch us when we are throw them on the grill.
See it, man, I roasting time now, man. Look. Fish pan grill, man. Big fish pan grill, man. No joke, man. We're not capping, man. We're only chef, no cap.
Active, you see all of them that?
Yeah, man. You see two of them large, look how we have set them. Look how we have to set them two of them large.
Alright, my people, fish active. Pan grill. So, we're going to make them go and roast, and we're going to check in back when them almost finish or finish. So stay tuned and watch how go on. Remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. What you say, Cardor?
Yeah, man. We in, yeah, man. We in, we not out. We in.
Active.
We there, panny, man. See there? Side we have ton fish too. Chef check in, man.
Huh?
Lifestyle TV and Real Chef check in.
What you say?
What
Fish
is
done
Bucky?
cook?
Come in, Bucky. Yeah, man. Bucky body shade, man, a road, you know, man. I'm a whole. Come no, Bucky. Come on, no, man. Alright, Bucky, see, they go
Tough like
empty me
boat.
father.
My people fish done, so I'll show you when them are going
Eat
in.
up, yeah, man.
Active.
Lifestyle TV there, you know, man. Yeah, man.
Active.
Gorilla war doing, you know, man. Fully. I mean, know how to build them. I mean, check them out the fastest. Look. See what I go on in my peeps. Look. Peeps, see big on the plate. See the fish big on the plate. But, shake it, shake it. Shake it. Me tell them, say, me, I teach and I cooking and my apprentice do this. And you can't Because of your cooking. Taste the difference with when me do it.
Where say the thing active? Huh?
Mad something.
Yeah.
You can know with the top chef. Now give me a bit, say my top chef. I'll try it and I'll see how it tastes. Yeah, man.
Say one with salt.
Yeah, alright.
Here's the stuff.
I'll pepper.